How to check if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Snapchat. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to this person icon at the bottom right. And then in the search bar, you have to search for the username of the person that you think has blocked you. If you don't know the username, you can simply enter the name. Well, once you search for it in the search bar, and if their profile doesn't show up in here, it means that you have been blocked by this person. But if you are able to find their profile, it means that you are not blocked by this person. This way you are able to find if they have blocked you or not. Well, the other method is, once you head over to your chat feed, and if their profile is not available in here, it means that you have been blocked. Well, this is another way to find if someone has blocked you or not. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find if someone has blocked you or not on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.